Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a stacked area chart to an RDL report, and customize its look and feel by using its chart title, category, and value axis properties. Using this stacked area chart, you can display multiple measures through filled curves vertically stacked one on top of another. Look at this chart, which shows the yearly industrial production of different countries. This is what we'll create. First, let's see how to add a stacked area chart to a report. I create a new report and name it Stacked Area Chart. Next, I need to create a dataset to assign data to the chart. So, I create a new data source and name it Growth Details, using the JSON data connector. If you would like to know how to create a data source and dataset using the JSON data connector, I have provided the video link in the card above and the description below. I have also provided the GitHub link for the data used in the chart in the description. Next, I click the Connect button to open the Query Designer page. Here, I change the name value to Growth Dataset. And then I add a table. And click the Finish button. As you can see, a dataset has been created. Next, I will add the stacked area chart. You can see the stacked area chart is categorized under Distribution. Just drag it from the Item panel. Once the chart is added, its properties are displayed, and they are categorized based on usage. If you want to change the name of the chart, you can change it here. I resize the chart by extending its corners. Once the chart is added, you need to assign the data to the chart. For that, I click Data in the Properties panel. Here in the Data panel, you will see the fields in the dataset categorized based on type. If the dataset has numeric columns and expressions, it will be listed in the Measures section. And the remaining types will be displayed in the Dimensions section. If you have added multiple datasets in a report, you can select one from here. I drag the % field from Measures to the Y-value section. Here you see the Sum Aggregate method applied to the field. You can change the aggregate method by clicking the Aggregate option, or by clicking Expression. If you add any field incorrectly, you can remove it by clicking the Remove icon. On previewing the report, you can see the sum of the growth percentages in the area chart. Let's move back to the design mode and add the year field to the column section. Looking at the preview, the area chart displays the sum of the growth percentages for each year. If you want to group the fields, add fields to the rows section. In the rows section, I add the country field. After adding each field, look at the design area, where you will see the refreshed chart. Previewing the chart, you see the stacked area chart with years, grouped by the country field and measured against the sum of the growth percentages. Okay, now I want to customize the chart to change its look and feel. For that, I need to customize a few of its properties. So, I open the Properties panel by clicking the Properties tab. First, I want to customize the text that is displayed in the tooltip of each stacked area. I click the Edit icon in the Choose series and open the Expression dialog of the tooltip property under the Miscellaneous category. In the Expression dialog, I enter the expression that will display the growth percentage, year, and country. And then click OK to save the expression. Let's look at the chart preview. When I hover on each stacked area, it displays a tooltip with the growth percentage, year, and country values. Let's move back to the design mode. Next, I change the border style to double, color to black, and the thickness to 1.833 for better visibility of the chart border. Under the Chart Area category, I enable the Show Border property, which displays the border property. In this property, I change the border color to black and thickness to 2. For this demo, I changed the value in the chart palette property to Pacific. As mentioned before, this chart displays the growth percentage of each year for different countries. I changed the title to Industrial Production Growth. Look at the chart title, as it changes to the one entered in the property. Next, I enter the No Data message value No Data to display. Since the category axis displays different years, I enter the title value, Year. You can also customize the chart title style. The options are available under the Advanced options. I changed the font size to 13. And then the font weight to bold. Looking at the chart, the category axis title changes accordingly. Next, I enter production percent value as the axis title value. As before, I changed the title font size to 13. And font weight to bold. Since the values in the value axis are the production percentages, I will change the label to percentage. To change the labels, I open the Label Format dialog. And change the type to percentage. And decimal places value to 0. I click OK to save the changes. Now see, percentage is displayed as the label in the value axis. The value entered in the tooltip property will be displayed when hovering over the chart in the preview. Here, I enter the tooltip value production growth chart. I have completed the chart customization. Now, let's look at the report preview. You can see the customized stacked area chart. In this video, I showed you how to add a stacked area chart to a newly created report and assign data to it. Also, I showed you how to customize the chart using its properties and preview it in the report viewer control. If you want the working sample RDL report used here, you can download it from the GitHub link provided in the description below. I have also provided the video link in the description that explains each property available in the chart report item. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.